to the vlog of the Bromo volcano. Hi. You guys are so today we'll be going to visit Mr. Bromo.
There's a mosquito on your forehead.
What the fuck? Welcome to Indonesia, guys. So we're right at the top. With some difficulties, our jeep got stuck at the bottom. But we've made it! So we're waiting up here. It's really cold. And like the sand gets everywhere, like in our eyes, and it's horrible. So this is the only solution we found. It looks so weird. Yambodo. We are climbing up right now. How do you feel?
Exhausted.
We've made it to the top.
Really?
Oh, where's my boyfriend? Oh, they're over there.
The top all the way up there? Hey, I think you missed the top.
Oh, the top
is up there.
Well, we're almost at the top. And it's so sandy, it's crazy. Look at this view. We have finally made it to the top. I just want to point out how dangerous this could be. Like, if you just fall, you're gonna roll and die and never be found ever again. So this is definitely unsafe. I wonder if people have actually like fallen before. Interesting. Anyway, we're heading down now.
Away from this.
So we're back home already. Forgot to say bye because we were very tired and dirty. Like it was like, what's it called? Sand all over our hair, my ear, my nose, my shoe,
My underwear.
underwear. It was crazy. And we were starving.
Oh, we just ate.
Where?
Oh.
So we forgot to say bye, but we're here to say bye. Say bye, cat.
Bye bye.
Say bye more.
Bye bye.